Introducing the world's smallest mini fridge. Not really. But let's take a second to appreciate this advertising. That's what you put in a mini fridge. These always come out of the box, already broken. We're gonna fix this one. Now that's taken care of. We need to get the butane out. So we can braze in the new compressor. We'll prep the new compressor for installation over here, and then we'll braze it in.
Two hours later.
Exactly 6.66 ounces of our 134A later. 134A. Oh, can't argue with that. And that's how you repair a shitty mini fridge. Make it a proper working one.